Kiuma giikaro gia keri igoti-ini itugiru bururi-ini nirio Supreme Court kurumirira cira uria utwaritwo igoti-ini riu ni acirithania Kalpana Rawal na Philip Tunoi aria marenda acirithania a guku bururi-ini aria mandikirwo rungu rwa katiba ya tene miaka yao ya kuritaya ikorwo i 74 handu ha miaka 70. Kiama kia mawakiri LSK ni kihoire igoti riu gwitikira cira ucio utuo nja wa igoti na kuhe miena yothe iranyita itemi cira-ini ucio kahinda-ini ga kuiguana. Na thutha wa gucemania kahinda ka mathaa matano, miena yothe yacoka igoti-ini no gutiuma na uiguithanio o mwena ukiruta mendikithia maguo. No kiama kia mawakiri LSK hamwe na wakiri wa Rawal ni mathire na mbere kuria maheo kahinda makiria niguo kugeria gwetha uiguano nja wa igoti.
So I stand here to seek the court's indulgence that if possible we grant the Law Society President this opportunity to meet with these members of the Judicial Service Commission.
I associate myself with what the advocate for LSK has said. I have nothing further to add.
No mawakiri a kamiti ya magoti Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi na Paul Mwite ni maraganire na mubango ucio makiuga kou ni gute mathaa.
The nature of this dispute cannot be arbitrated outside the four corners of a judicial process, and we are in the last leg, we are in the final leg of that judicial process. So my lords and my lady, we are opposed to any process that is not subject to this process, and we want to continue with this application.
Wakiri John Kaminwa uria auma igoti-ini ta murata wa igoti onake ni areganire na ihoya riu ria LSK kwenda cira ucio utuithanio nja wa igoti, akiuga igoti ritugiru nirio rihetwo hinya wa gutua cira ta ucio.
And my lord, there's no way we can try to get an agreement or a negotiated agreement between the parties in this matter. The law is very clear on this matter. This court can hear this matter and resolve it.
No ona kuri uguo mucirithania munene Willy Mutunga uria ugutongoragia giikaro kiu ni aheire LSK kanya ga gucemania na kamiti ya magoti JSC na maumirira ma igeria riu maririo giikaro-ini kingi kiria gigatabanio muthenya wa Jumatatu.
We have consulted, we'll give the president of the Law Society a chance to meet the JSC. I convene the JSC, so you can meet the JSC tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. 2:30 p.m. We resume on Monday at 2:30 to either receive a settlement or to hear the applications.
Gibarua riu ni kuri kiama kia mawakiri bururi-ini LSK kugiria kuiguithia kamiti ya magoti JSC ati ikunda riri riagirwo gukundirwo nja wa igoti mwerekero uria ukamenyeka muthenya wa Jumatatu thaa 8:30 cia miaraho. Maina wa Wairegi ngiribotera Inooro TV ndeje wa igoti itugiru bururi-ini Nairobi.